Good morning, dear students. Hopefully, you all are fine and enjoying good health. Let's come to the lesson now. The topic for today's lesson is Ngorongoro Crater from Unit 8 Animal World. Today, we will read pages 86 till 89. Come to the learning objectives first. Can I pronounce the word Ngorongoro using phonics? Can I describe Ngorongoro crater in my own words? Can I scan through text to answer literal questions from the text? Now look at the word Ngorongoro. It's a Maasai word. You might be finding it very difficult to pronounce this word. But I know that my students are very good at phonics. So let's pronounce the word using phonics. When a word starts with ng, as does ngo, rong, goro, you will pronounce that n but without sneaking in a vowel between the n and the g. So let's pronounce it with me using phonics. Ngo, rong, go, ro. Say it again loudly. Ngo, rongoro. So it's ngo, rongoro. Did you get it? Very good. Now come to the word crater. Craters are formed by powerful volcanic explosions. Such outbursts can be violent enough that once the eruption is over, the volcano collapses in on its empty vacant magma chamber and forms volcanic crater. So a crater is formed in this way after the volcanic eruption. Now come to the description. Ngorongoro crater is in northern Tanzania in Africa. The Maasai have given Ngorongoro crater its name meaning the black hole. The Ngorongoro crater is often called the Eden of Africa. Now let's start reading the lesson. The Ngorongoro crater, a huge grassy plain in Africa, is home to 25,000 animals. It was formed when an enormous, enormous means very big, volcano erupted over 2 million years ago. All that is left of the volcano is the rim around the outside. So in this way, the Ngorongoro crater was formed. So let's have a look at the word cloud. Campsites. Campsite is a place used for camping. What is the meaning of plain? A large area of flat land with few trees. It is similar to grassland. Crater. A large bowl-shaped cavity in the ground caused by an explosion is called a crater. Now come to rim. Rim is an outer edge. Let's read the next page. So Ngorongoro crater is in Tanzania, Africa. You can see on the map where it is located. Many people visit the Ngorongoro crater to see the animals that live there. They stay in campsites or hotels called lodges. So many people visit there. And where did they stay? They stayed in campsites or lodges, hotels. Let's go to the next page. So dear students, you can see from the picture that it is the home for many animals. So many wild animals live in the crater. Let's have a look. Leopards live in the rainforest near the edge of the crater. So leopards live there near the edge of the crater. Elephants and hippos are also there. Zebras and hyenas are also there. You can find monkeys, baboons and elephants too. Lions stay inside the crater because there is plenty of food for them. The crater is a safe place for the endangered black rhino. So that's a very good thing that the endangered animals are finding their safe place. Look at these illustrations. We can see so many zebras here. And what are behind the zebras? Yes, we can see flamingos. So flamingos live on the lake in the middle of the crater. Zebras stay close to other animals to keep safe. So zebras are feeling safe here. Now look at the other illustration. Yes, you can see so many cows, donkeys and sheep and goats here. So the crater is serving them grass and water, so they are so happy here. Now let's start reading. Living in the crater. The Maasai people live near the Gorongoro crater and take their cows, donkeys, sheep and goats into the crater to give them grass and water. So the Maasai people are also very happy who are living near the crater because their animals are happy too, and their animals can find plenty of food there. So that's why they are so happy. Now, it's time for the homework questions. So I think you are able to give the answers of these questions because you have understood the lesson very well. Question number 1. Why do people visit Gorongoro crater? Name 3 animals that live in the Gorongoro crater. That was question number 2. Now come to question number 3. Why do so many animals like to live in the crater? Question 4. Why do the tourists stay in their jeeps and not walk around? Dear students, so this is all for today. Now what you are going to do? You are going to do the homework neatly. So have a nice weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Goodbye.